It is 27th of September and it is a lovely 24 degrees this morning. We had a lot of rain last night. Very heavy rain all night. Didn't stop all night. As you can probably hear the frogs chirping away. Lots of frogs about. So today is quite an important day. I'm going to be completing my shed build on the outside anyway. So, plan of action is, as you can see, I've already cut out where the doorway is going to go. So I will go inside, cut the other side for the doorway, take this window out, put it in here, and finish this block work. So that is the plan for this weekend. So I can either do the block work first, then do the doorway, or do the doorway first, then do the block work. So I think I'll do the doorway first, because that way it'd be easy for me to point up the block work on the inside. So that's what I'll do now then. I will come through to the inside. So, see how cramped it is in here for me. There's no space for anything. So you can see where I've drilled through where the line is that I need to cut. So I should clear all this space and then start cutting through. Right, let's crack on. Right, that wasn't too difficult. All knocked through. There's a good place. I've got a good home for all this rubble because I need more hardcore around the back there, so it won't get wasted. So I'll just clear this up and then we'll take out the window. Right, the wall is out. We are now through to the new shed. So I'm going to take this sill out now. I'm not going to use the sill for this window because it's undercover and I don't think we need it. They don't actually make sills in Thailand. Well, very rare. You can't find a sill. I had to make that sill myself. But for here we got this overhang, so I don't think we're going to need a windowsill. So I should take this windowsill out and then I'll move on to moving the window. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets here. 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets here. Hopefully cut through them. Should be able to take the window out. Right, got my reciprocating saw with a metal blade cutter on it. So let's cut through these brackets and get this window out. Right, window is out. Next job, fix it into here. Right, so door is knocked out, window is put in place. What I've got to do now is fix it. So what I shall do is I shall drill holes, 3 holes, and then mark where I'm going to drill into the blocks, take the window out, put the plugs in and fix it. That's all I have to do. But first things first, let's drink a cup of coffee. Right, window is fixed. Just got these little slithers to put in under the window. So I will do that now. Okay, let that go off a bit and I'll come back and finish it off. So let's start laying some blocks. Well, found another little helper on our shed build. This one was trying to hide from all the rain we've been having. Apparently he's a sunbeam snake which is harmless to humans. So I'll let him slither away beneath the sand while I got on with some work. Right, finished the blockwork. Got a tiny little bit of muck left, so I'm using that to finish these edges in this doorway. The window's in and finished off. was a good one. So just let this go off a bit so I can just finish this off, use up the muck that I've got, and then that's it for the day. Job finished. Right, that's the end of the day, and a very productive day it has been. Finished the block wall. I knocked out this wall, took out the window, moved it, fixed it, and finished it off. Started finishing the edges here, but the bit here all fell off, so I'll let that harden, have a go on it again tomorrow. But shed is now finished. I think I will build a bench across here, use some blocks to sit the bench on. I might even have a bench here and here too. I'm not sure yet. I'll play as I go along. But I'm pleased with that. A lot more space now. Okay, I think it's beer time. Time for a glass of nice cool beer. See you later.